Hello and welcome to this short training video on maximising crop protection efficacy with Kantor. I'm Stuart Sutherland, Technical Manager at Interagro. A lot of thought and attention goes into picking the most appropriate crop protection products and rates to do the job, yet efficacy is highly dependent on good delivery to the target. Over the next few minutes, we'll run through some of the key issues relating to reductions in efficacy for fungicides, PGRs and herbicides. Starting with looking at what's going on in the spray tank, we address compatibility and water pH. Then we'll consider the effect of droplet size on drift and how that might affect the journey of the spray from the nozzle to the target. And then finally, we'll look at some of the other barriers when we're looking at crop protection products and challenging leaf surfaces. Kantor contains a compatibility aid which enables tank mix components to dissolve and remain stable in the spray tank. It also reduces pH, preventing alkaline hydrolysis. Large tank mixes can save time and improve efficiency. However, incompatible mixes can cause antagonism and potentially block the sprayer. Incompatibility can be caused by physical or chemical properties, cold temperatures, incorrect mixing order, or water source. This simple demonstration shows quite clearly that some mixtures can be hard to dissolve in water, particularly oil-based formulations. The addition of Kantor to the oil promoted mixing and enabled the components to remain fully dissolved in water even when left to stand for 30 minutes. Without Kantor, the mix started to fall out of suspension. By adding Kantor first, it also reduces the pH of the water, helping prevent alkaline hydrolysis, which is a chemical reaction whereby some actives break down in water above pH 7. Not all products are affected, and the longer the susceptible product is left in the tank, the more it will break down. As you can see from this graph, Kantor will reduce pH to below 7. Spray drift is a risk to every application and occurs when ultrafine droplets are carried away by air movement. These wayward droplets can be dangerous to adjacent fields, hedges and other off-target species. Spraying is a balance of speed and accuracy. Too much of one and the other is compromised. It's not that easy to maintain a constant boom height when driving over a bumpy field with a large sprayer. To help keep drift in check, boom height should be 50 centimeters above the target and forward speed should ideally be between 10 and 12 kilometers an hour. Kantor contains a drift reduction technology which will minimize the very small and drifty droplets. Kantor has been shown to increase VMD, volume median diameter, the average size of the droplet, and reduce the number of droplets under 100 microns. 100 microns is 1/10 of a millimeter. We tested a mix of fungicide with and without Kantor at Silso Spray Application Unit. With Kantor in the mix, the VMD increased by 10%, and the very drifty droplets under 100 microns were reduced by 23%. We have talked about the benefits of Kantor in the tank and the effects on droplets to reduce drift, but perhaps the biggest benefit comes from the action on the leaf. Surface tension, waxy leaves, vertical surfaces, runoff are just some of the challenges a spray droplet has to overcome. The specialist surfactant technology in Kantor has been proven to improve retention, spreading and uptake. As can be seen from these videos from the University of Amsterdam, the inclusion of Kantor with this sulfonylurea herbicide is helping the spray droplet stick to and be retained by this near vertical leaf. Larger droplets especially will want to bounce off waxy leaves, reducing the amount of active and ultimately reducing efficacy. This will be especially important when applying herbicides to particularly challenging weeds. This time, the Kantor is mixed with the PGR chlormequat and is showing clearly the benefits of retention. Chlormequat works very slowly in cooler conditions and Kantor can help retain and improve uptake. Trials have shown that the inclusion of Kantor has further reduced lodging and improved yield. The surfactant technology in Kantor improves spreading, which will help contact products cover more leaf area, but also allows more uptake points for actives that require cuticle penetration. Better spreading and more uptake points on the leaf make for improved efficacy of actives in a crop-safe manner. Kantor has proven significant improvements in disease control, lodging and brackling, and weed control when part of the mix. With the loss of some key actives, increases in resistance and rate reduction pressure, getting the most out of what we still have is more important than ever. To summarise, Kantor improves efficacy of crop protection products by maximising active ingredient availability and safety, by reducing pH and improving compatibility, minimising environmental loss and increasing leaf deposition through the built-in anti-drift system, optimising coverage through excellent retention and spreading, ensuring high product concentration on the leaf, and ultimately improving efficacy through higher uptake. Kantor needs to be added to the spray water first at the inclusion rate of 0.15% of the water volume. If you're using 200 litres a hectare of water, that works out to be 0.3 litres per hectare of Kantor. Thank you for watching this short video. For more information on Kantor or any of our solutions, please visit our website www.interagro.co.uk, where you can find lots more information. Thank you.